Alright, here we're going through the the Lego section. Some pretty cool Legos. Go through this real quick because all these people are standing around watching that star, whatever that is up there. Not where I'm headed. I'll just keep walking. Oh, sorry about that. People just sitting on the ground there. Sorry. It was a cool, right on. Still on the Mattel area. Oh, look at this. Oh, that is sweet. Remember this? Isn't this from the Batman movie? Oh, that is sick. I'm sorry, but I gotta take a good look at this. This is from The Dark Knight. This is pretty friggin' sweet. You can see that. I might flip my camera over a little bit just to kind of give you a better glance. I think that might come out upside down for you guys. Sorry in advance, but just to kind of give you, maybe tilt your head a little bit. It's pretty sweet. I really like that movie, The Dark Knight. It's a pretty cool movie.